If you are new to AWS and are wondering what the Cloud Practitioner certification is all about, this video will make everything clear. I'll give you a simple explanation of what the certification is, who it is for, and why it might be perfect in your cloud journey. Hi, I'm Alex, software architect with more than 20 years of experience in IT. In this channel I talk about cloud, technology, career, and cloud certifications. I have passed 12 AWS certifications and I hope you will find my experience useful. This time I will talk about AWS Cloud Practitioner. It is the first one in the series of other AWS exams. AWS has a few set of exams: foundational, associate, professional, and specialty. Cloud Practitioner is the beginning of these certification paths. The exam is for anyone who wants to understand how AWS works. Cloud Practitioner is good for non-technical professionals like project managers, sales teams, finance people, product managers, and technical leaders. If your job interacts with cloud teams and cloud products, this certification helps you understand the basics so that you speak the same language. AWS Cloud Practitioner is also great for people who are technical but new to AWS, like developers learning cloud for the first time, engineers coming from other cloud environments or on-premises, or anyone making a career shift towards cloud roles. You will get a safe, beginner-friendly introduction before jumping into harder certifications. Another target audience is students and early career professionals. Let's talk about the exam structure. The exam has 65 multiple choice questions and you have 90 minutes to complete it. 15 questions among those 65 are unscored, so you have only 50 questions that affect the final result. The exam result is reported on the scale from 0 to 1000. The minimum passing score is 700. The exam questions are focused around 4 domains. First domain, cloud concepts, that is 24% of scored content. Next one, security and compliance, 30%, cloud technology and services, 34%, and billing, pricing, and support, 12%. If you want a deep breakdown into how to prepare, I have a separate video where I explain full strategy step by step. I'll link it below. But here's the short version. You can prepare using online courses, AWS official documentation, flashcards, and practice exams, which I highly recommend. I also have a practice exam available on Udemy if you want to simulate the real test. The exam isn't complicated. Some people pass it after studying for just one day. Others take a week or 2 weeks. I passed the exam without preparation, but I already had many years of experience, so this doesn't count. And now, why the certification is actually worth doing. For me, the biggest benefit isn't the badge, it's the preparation itself. Studying for the exam forces you to understand why cloud computing matters, how AWS services work at high level, how businesses think about cloud costs, security, and architecture. This knowledge stays with you and immediately helps whether you're a student, an engineer, or even someone working in a non-technical role. On top of that, it validates your cloud knowledge, it makes your CV and LinkedIn profile stand out more. And it gives you a solid foundation for more advanced certifications like Solutions Architect, Developer Associate, DevOps Professional, and more. So that's the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification explained simply. If you are curious about AWS, want to boost your career, or just want a structured way to learn cloud basics, this exam is a perfect place to start. Check out the next video where I break down how to prepare for the exam and practical tips that can save you a lot of time and stress. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.